guys, I'm here to show you how to fix overscaling on your Radeon computers, or if it is a Radeon graphics card. So here I have my display, and it doesn't actually open everything perfectly. It would overscale often into the edges. It won't show on OBS though. But for example, if I were to open up this, it would simply cut off a bit of it. So how to fix this is by opening up your graphics card. Of course, this video is for Radeon, so all you want to do is go into your start menu and just search up Radeon settings, or just Radeon, and it'll open up a light settings thing. And then right here you have HDMI scaling. You just want to turn that up until it starts working in perfect scaling. So for me, right here fixes it. There's nothing going over the edges now. My cursor's on the side of the screen. It works perfectly. I will get a phone recording to show what this is like. So here we are with zero scaling, and as you can see, it cuts off the edge of the screen. And just when I open up this app, of course, turn the slider up till it fits. Perfect screen.